Day Squad, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be reacting to Xenonew. So
look at this dude.
This is the time that I cannot even take this or any video seriously.
Stop it!
This is actually a short one. Let's just start the video. I don't know what to say anymore. But before this video starts, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. Give some love, you know. It's free. Why not, right? So yeah, let's just start the video. And 3, 2, 1. Xenonew and Their Problems Part 2. I haven't seen the first one.
Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance.
This kind of video doesn't need any subtitles, to be honest.
I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Well, come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me.
So is it safe to say that they're really dating now?
Put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
No, Z, you should just appreciate we're just concerned about you. So long pass. Oy, at least, maybe narinig na niya na nagreklamo ka masakit yung likod mo, so why not, diba? A gift is a gift. It needs to be appreciated. Yes, talaga yung lollipop. Legit ka na fan? Or joke? Right, sige, even me, you're like, who's that?
เนี่ยแกงามโหลดหมดเลยเนี่ย ได้ครับกูแม่
Bagong clip, hindi ko pa yung nakita. Stop thinking too much about it. ASMR messy version. Ba't kasi iniwang bukas yung window, diba? Ay, kasudro. Mabilis umibat. Apa sih? Ito gusto niyo? I've seen some of their TikToks. He needs new. Nakapag-diet pa ba si Z dahil kay Nunyo or is the diet ruined? Kaya ka binigyan ng salompas eh.
Two 2,000 years later.
ปากเลยคนท้องเลยแจ็คสันหวัง
เราสนุกกันมากเลยครับ แล้วก็อยากให้ทุกคนมาสนุกกับเราในงานด้วยครับ ก็อย่าลืมมาซื้อบัตรออนไลน์กันเยอะๆนะครับ
There's no need to talk. Kahit tayo talk lang sila.
ใกล้ได้ไหมคะเป็นไงทุกคน
Yeah, sa sobrang manis. Oh! Oh my god! And they're wearing all white. Ba't kasi nag-gift ka?
อย่ามาเล่นอะไรอ่ะ สู้เลยทำไมต้องสู้ด้วยอ่ะโอ้ยหนูจะเป็นอย่างงี้เฮ้ยหนู ไปเรียนไหนมาหนูไม่ต้องเล่นจริงจังอะไรก็ได้
Ikaw nagsabi sa ano niya, doon sa series na maya si Annabelle. So, yeah. Here you go. Nunez just surfing. Thank you for watching.